Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you the nice install we've done on a BMW 3 Series, which has got the original EVO menu, as you can see there, which is basically as you would normally expect when you get in this type of car, and it works, I think it's 2017 onwards. We do have them for right down to the CCC version, not on the 3 Series, but that only starts at MBT on the 2013. But as I say, this is one of the newer cars today, which has obviously got this sort of menu set up. So this is our latest Android 12 system, which comes with the new ID8 tag system on there, and it comes with 464 gig of RAM. You can increase it up if you want. It goes right up to 8 and 256 gig of RAM. You can go right up to. Will cost a little bit extra anyway. So as you can see, this is the original setup. All we need to do, oh sorry, one more thing before I go into one, is these 10.25 inch screens are not compatible if you've got the existing touchscreen of the system. So if this is touchscreen, then obviously it's not going to work. I'll just go back out to that one there. So if this is touchscreen on the original BMW, not going to work. So basically it's for non-touchscreen cars only. If your car does have a touchscreen, then obviously you can go for a CarPlay box or CarPlay Android Auto MMI box if you want, which they link into the existing screen. So to go over to the Android side, you can do one or two things. You can hold down the media button down below by the iDrive, or alternatively you can just press the touchscreen and it'll take you into the Android side here. So as you can see there, this has obviously got a nice new weather app here, which is a little bit funky. I say just to show you how quick and responsive it is. Very fluid. As I say, there's a lot of cheaper alternatives online, which are 4-core processors and 1 and 16 gig of RAM, 2 and 16 gig of RAM. Don't touch them, because you'll find out they are really poor. So this one here has got an 8-core processor, and as you can see, it's just like you would expect from a tablet when you're buying £1,000. So okay, so here's your navigation here. You can put any navigation maps on there from the Play Store. So if you want to go down the route to buy, downloading Wade, Sigic, Copilot, TomTom, Google Maps if you want. So obviously it'll go onto this application here. As you can see, this one here is just a, I do not sell them with that one there. That's the ones that the Chinese factory put on for you. So obviously we can change that if we wish. I'll do that later on for the customer. Okay, so this is a little weather report app here, which is obviously where we are now, Beventon. I'll just go back out there. Got your music, so if you want to put your music onto a pen drive, you can put all your music and your even your movies onto a pen drive and play them through the system. These are just demos, which you'll find out that they're just on the ones that factory put on there to show you it's working. Also car information here. That'll take you back to obviously the iDrive menu. Let's have a little look. So you can change the background settings if you wish, and you can have the different colour, you know, in terms of this text here. We'll change the colour, we'll keep it on red today, which is obviously what I like. No phone connected. Okay, that's your Bluetooth menu. So basically I've got my phone connected onto it there, which is here. Only reason it says it's not connected is because when it goes over to the CarPlay app, basically it disconnects from your Bluetooth and then goes over to the Wi-Fi of your phone. So that's why it says it's not connected there. Dashboard. Okay, so if I put my foot down, you can see the revs, and obviously there's your speed there. That one there, that'll take you to your miles per hour. This can be changed to kph if you're overseas. Let's have a little look. Okay, settings. This takes you to a lot of the back end settings here. So obviously things you can adjust, like your language, your time, your Android, your factory settings, etc, etc. Okay, so here's your HD video here. So if you wanted to play any films on here, fingers crossed if it's got any on there, that'll show you the quality of the HD, but it doesn't look like there's anything on the flash drive. So oh, here we go. There you go. Good stuff. So if you just go to the full screen, just to show you the sound quality. As you can see, that's just a demo that's on there. So go back out. Okay, let's have a little look. Okay, you can adjust these here. That's a good thing about this system, is where you can add widgets to it. So basically, if you want to take something from your application center over onto the home page, you can add stuff there if you wish. Say if you want to press one of these, it'll basically come onto the home page. So if I've done like this one here, which is your CarPlay, here you go. And also you can, I think you can change them around if you want. So you can just do them in order. 1 second, see if that works. There you go, you can change them around anyway. So this one here, which I've just put on there, is the CarPlay. As you can see, just got over there, very swift and responsive. Now that's my phone, which is tuned in and linked to the system. So obviously I use an Apple phone. This is where it's showing me Android, sorry, excuse me, my CarPlay. So this brings a lot of apps over from the system. As you can see, there's no lag on the system, which a lot of people tend to ask questions of. Only reasons there's no lag is because we stay away from the rubbish that's on the market, and obviously you do pay a little bit extra for our units, but the quality's there, and the actually extra price is deemed necessary when we pay our factories. So obviously we pay a lot of money for our products, so obviously you're getting the quality in the build. You get a 2 years warranty with our systems, which is with us, not with the factories. So just be careful when you're buying off others when they offer you the manufacturer's warranty. It just basically means you've got to go over to the manufacturer if there's any issues, which is obviously always in China. But we don't do that. We don't pass the buck. You get our warranty, which is a Iceboxauto warranty. So if any issues, you come back to us, we take care of everything for you. And obviously you get lifetime support, which basically means once your warranty's over, if you still have issues beyond the 2 years, you still get in touch with us and we'll help you out. If we can get your MC updates, firmware updates later on in the line, if you want to try that, update your systems, then obviously we'll always quite happy to help you out. Okay, so here you go, let's have a little look at the Apple Maps here. So there's my Apple Maps. So basically we want to go to 3D, 2D, and then obviously we can go out to the Google Maps here, which is obviously that gives you a nice image portrait of the buildings and stuff like that. So obviously you got that too. Also, if you want to put Talk Sport on there or any DAB apps and stuff like that. If you want to go back out onto the Android screen, just simply press that one there. And obviously if you go to the applications, just to show you a few of them, there's your Play Store there. Don't think we've tuned in today, you know, need to log into that one for the customer when he comes. Okay, good thing here, has a built-in amplifier, DSP, which a lot of systems, the cheaper alternatives, don't have this. So obviously you can customise the output on this as well as the original hard drive when you want to go back to there. So obviously that'll, it's a nice little feature. Chrome, Assistant, these are just Google apps, browsing of the Google app. DAB Z, that's the DAB radio app, but obviously you do need the offline DAB for that, but just download the tuning app and it'll come to the system. Also, if you want to just download many apps of your choice, Waze, Netflix, YouTube Music, whatever you want to do, just do it through the Play Store or onto your phone and let it work on this CarPlay app here. So I hope the video's nice anyway today. I've brought you a little bit more a longer video than I'm normally used to. Customer's going to be coming shortly, so obviously we're going to round it up now. Round it off, should I say, and they'll be bringing the video soon. If you got any questions, get in touch with us. We'll put all our contact details down below in the description. Visit us www.iceboxauto.com, and we are your UK trusted supplier of infotainment systems. Okay, have a nice day now. See you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.